Syzygium australe, or the lily-pilly, is one of Australia's favourite plants, mainly because it makes such good hedging. But it's also very popular thanks to its wonderfully crisp fruits, which are very tasty and make excellent jams. This is a fast-growing and dense native plant with beautiful glossy leaves that start off bronze and turn light green and on to dark green as they age. But apart from looking great, this waxy coating helps retain moisture without adversely affecting photosynthesis. It's also very good as an insulation against heat, and that's increasingly important as our climate changes. And this plant does like a full sun location, though they do still go well in part shade. Syzygium grow leaf cover right down to ground level, which is very important for good-looking hedges. And it also responds very well to clipping, though if you have a Syzygium hedge, you need to enjoy trimming, as you'll need to do it often throughout the year. These are fast growers. Their other slight drawback is the susceptibility to psyllids, which are tiny sap suckers that attach themselves to the underside of the leaves, creating a bump or a gall on top as they feed. It's quite unsightly, and of course will impede the plant's ability to grow. One of the best ways to control them is to literally pick them off and dispose of in the garbage. Being gross feeders, Syzygium need plenty of nitrogen in their fertilizers, and slow release is best, so a sprinkle of blood and bone, once a quarter, is the best solution. Well watered in, of course. Some say that psyllid-resistant varieties of Syzygium are better, but providing you're prepared to look after them, then Syzygium australe is by far the best looking lily-pilly you can buy.